I'm Miss Allison from the South Cobb Regional Library, and today we are going to be making DIY K-pop patches. For this craft, you will need a scrap piece of cardboard to protect your surface, some pieces of stiff felt, a printed out template, scissors, a pen, some iron-on backing, and an iron. Please use adult supervision when using the iron. If you do not have an iron, this can also be accomplished by hand sewing the pieces of felt together, but an iron works best. First, we're going to flip the template over and trace it onto our piece of felt. Make sure you trace it upside down so that any pin markings will be on the back once we've finished. Once you've finished, go ahead and cut out your logo. You can trim off the excess of your iron-on backing if you wish. Next, place your patch face down onto the cardboard with the iron-on backing paper side up. So the adhesive part should be facing down when you go to iron. It is very important that you only iron the paper side of the iron-on backing. Otherwise, you will melt the backing onto your iron. Set your iron to medium heat with no steam and gently rub it over the patch until the backing has stuck to the felt. It shouldn't take very long. Be careful not to iron the extra backing very much or it will stick to the cardboard. Allow it to cool before touching it. It will be very hot. Once cool, take your scissors and cut out around the felt, removing any extra iron-on backing. Then peel off the paper backing and place the pieces felt side up onto another piece of felt. Now you'll take your iron and gently rub it over the felt until the top layer has attached to the bottom layer. This will take longer than it did the first time you ironed. Once again, this will be very hot. Allow it to cool before moving on to the next step. Now cut out your patch, leaving a little bit of the bottom color surrounding the main image. Lay your patch face down on the cardboard again and place the iron-on backing paper side up over the patch again. Iron the patch one more time to attach the final layer of iron-on backing. After letting it cool once more, you will cut off the excess backing around your patch and peel off the paper. Now you're ready to iron it onto whatever fabric you want. This technique works great for making a variety of patches, not just K-pop patches. Be sure to show off your patches on social media and tag the library social media accounts. We love seeing your work. Thanks so much for joining me today. See you next time.